Hello friends, in the previous video I explained about WordPress dashboard interface. Now you learned about the WordPress dashboard, and here you can see localhost/WordPress. This is our website front end URL, localhost/WordPress. So now we will install the theme. So there are different methods to install the themes. First of all, you can click on appearance, themes, and make sure your internet is working. And then right now you can see we have three themes: 2019, 2017 and 2016. If you open the WordPress folder in your C drive, like exam, ht docs, and the WordPress, and then WP content, and then themes, you can see we have three themes here. So if we want to install a new theme, like there are different methods. Add a new theme. So here you can see like featured, popular, latest, and favorites. So if you click on popular, so you can see there are different popular themes, so we can install one of them. Okay, like for example, you want to install this theme like Hastia, so you can click on install, and it will be installed. So this is the first method, like you can install through popular, latest, or favorites, or even if you know the name of the theme, you can search by name, or even you can search by if you want one column theme, you can search by one column. If you want two column, if you want three columns themes, so it depends. Like if you want any color theme, you can search also by color. You can also search by a specific term, like if you want for e-commerce or for business or for advertisement purpose, like classified ads website. So you can also search by theme as well. So you can see it has been installed, so we can activate the theme from here. So first we will have to install, then activate. Now if you refresh your home page, you can see theme has been changed. See. Now if you again click on add new, so you can also search, as I told you, like search by name. For example, if you search by the color name, so yellow, so you can see almost see yellow themes will appear. See, if you search by like three columns, so three columns themes, like with a right and left sidebar, see, it will appear. See, right and left sidebar, and there is main content. So if you know the theme name, like human is the theme name, so there is one theme which name is human. So if you want to install this theme, just you can also search by name and then install the theme. You remember there was three folders in WP content, in ht docs, WordPress folder, and then WP content, then themes folder, which I showed you in the video, in this video. So now we have installed two themes, then I will show you that there will be 5 folders. So now we have activated the human theme. So if we refresh, you can see theme has been changed. If you check in the folder, now we have human and Hastia also there. Even if you click on appearance and themes, so you can see now we have 5 themes there are. If you want to delete the theme, so you can click on theme details, and we can also delete theme from here. So this was the second method, like by name. And the third, like you can open wordpress.org, and here you can see like themes option, and same themes we can find here, lots of popular and latest, and we can also search by name or something like with color name, or 3 columns, 2 columns, like this Zakra I want to install. So download the theme. Now there are two methods. I will download two themes, like generate press and Zakra. So Zakra is here, so we will extract the files. Once it will extract, open the folder, and this folder where we have all the files, copy this folder and go to C drive, htdocs, in exam htdocs, and WordPress and WP content, and in the themes folder paste that theme, move that theme. Now if you open your themes, appearance theme section, there will be 6 themes. Now you can see Zakra is there, and we can also activate the theme from here. So this is the third method to activate the theme, and you can see now if we refresh, the theme has been changed. So you can see Zakra is there. Now the last one, add new, like you can also upload the theme folder like zip file which we downloaded in desktop. It was Zakra, and the second was this WordPress. So open and install now. So you can also upload the theme zip file, and it will automatically unpacking the package, installing the theme, and theme installed successfully. Then you can activate and refresh. So you can see the theme has been changed. See, so now we will go to the theme section and we will activate this theme which is called human theme. So in this video you have learned about like how we can install the theme. There are different methods which I explain. So in next video we will proceed our WordPress training. So thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel, and also like the video, and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.